guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Afro Winnie. If you're new here, welcome here as well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I twist my hair as a protective style. So I'll probably be taking this hair for about 2 weeks, so watch out, okay?
So as you can see, my hair is freshly washed and I put it in 7 sections after detangling it and adding leave-in conditioner and oil. It's in 7 sections just so I can easily twist my hair with no distraction. So to give my twist more length, I decided to put my hair in bantu knots prior to twisting it, just so it can give it that stretched look and make my twist to look longer than it looks when it's shrunken, basically. So you want to make sure that you section your hair according to the size of twist that you're going for. So in this video, I decided to section my hair for a medium-sized twist. So you also want to make sure that your hair is properly detangled, just to prevent knots while you're twisting your hair, so that you can have neater twists. Make sure to section your hair equally so that you can twist your hair with no need to borrow. So to twist, make sure to individually twist each side of hair before rotating it to the other side to twist both together. As you can see, the ends of my hair ended up not being equal, but that's totally fine. I ended up just twirling it at the end. The reason why you should not borrow is because if you end up borrowing, when it's time for you to unravel your twist, you may end up having knotted hair, which may end up breaking your hair. So again, I'm going to show you how to do it, and this time around I'm going to make sure I make my hair as equal as possible so I don't have to borrow at all. So as you can see, my ends here ended up being equal, and it was easy for me to just end the twist without having to borrow. So as you can see, I'm basically done with half of my hair here, and I'm so excited. Can you see the length? Can you see the length? Oh my goodness, what length check. Ah! So for the front part of my hair, I wanted to make sure that the line was way neater than those at the back, just because, you know, it's the front part of the hair and that part I'll be styling the most. So I wanted to make sure that I just looked neater than, you know, the ones at the back. at this point I was starting to feel my hair. Like I was like, what? Can you imagine? This is Winnie. Oh my god. So you want to make sure that you lay your edges if you care about that. I'm not really a fan of laying my edges, but I just did that for the fun of this video and to kind of make my edges look neater, if that makes sense. That feeling when your hair is about to be done, when you're about to be done with your hair, you're like, yeah, I'm done. So for my finishing touch, I decided to go in with my oil and just add some more oil to my scalp and my hair, and yeah, that's it. So I hope you got to enjoy this video. I hope you got to learn something new. Okay, bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.